But by bringing it to pass, by bringing it into manifest, the white throne is now on display. Tanggapin ang tao ito o ingit.
Configuration was clearly the new birth. Configuration was showing the
happy second anniversary sa KTGMI. Yan. Naway i-bless pa kayo patuloy ng Panginoon. Tsaka for all the blessings. Talagang thank you po.
God bless you. Ay, for the King of the Golden Ministry, masaya kami sa inyong second anniversary. God will bless you more.
Para sa lahat ng mga kapatiran from the King Theophany Fellowship, lalong-lalo na ang mahal na pastor natin, si Pastor Edwin Arumin. We send you all our greetings from the Mount of Zion Fellowship Assembly sa Ilocos, sa Bahrain, sa Dagupan, sa Santa Barbara, sa Ordaneta. Pinahatid namin ang aming pagpati sa inyo. Happy 2nd anniversary.
Happy second triumphant anniversary. May many more anniversaries to come. Patuloy kayo magkakaroon. Yung Lord bless you so much. Sa ministry nito, although it's only your second year, but you're doing well. God bless you in your ministry. Lord, God bless you. Together with your congregation, we love you.
Alright, good morning. Good morning. Binabati ko rin ang King Theophany Golden Ministries sa kanilang second anniversary of Thanksgiving. We're so blessed for this service. Salamat sa Diyos. Pinagpala po kayo. Pinagpala po tayong lahat ng Panginoon sa inyong anniversary. Binabati ko po si Pastor Romy Tumidwin kasama ang kanyang asawa at mga anak. Isang masaya na anniversary. At sa lahat ng mga kapatiran sa King Theophany Golden Ministries. God bless you all. God bless you all.
Happy second year triumphant anniversary ng King Theophany Golden Ministries.